how I turned my eBay skills into a consulting career. You can do it too. I'll give you a breakdown in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So before consulting, I sold on eBay myself, and that's the best way to learn. And what I was selling, I was making a significant amount of money, almost $10,000 a month as a teenager, and it was great. Then I was selling these Snoop Dogg vape pens, not too bad. You know, everybody loved the vape pens. It was a crazy trend with Juul, if you were around. And what happened is they passed a law where eBay says no more vape pens. So the sales were going insane. It was just crazy selling by itself. And then all of a sudden, no more vape pens on eBay, no more vape pens on Amazon, no more vape pens sold online practically anywhere unless you had your own website. And that's when I was like, okay, I made a lot of money. I know how eBay works. Now it's time for me to use my skill, my knowledge, and help other people sell on eBay, right? Instead of just taking all this money and just throwing back into a random product. So that's what I did. And the first thing I did was to go to networking events. Now for you, the first lesson is to start selling on your own. So start selling your own stuff. You don't have to be extremely successful. You just need to learn the lingo. You need to learn how eBay works, what eBay looks like, the different sections of eBay, how the selling tab, how to get approved as an eBay seller, right? How to get approved as an eBay buyer. It's like the same exact thing. Also how to advertise on eBay, how to run coupons, all this stuff you should know how to do. You can even test eBay ads in eBay store, watch videos of eBay experts, but you need to at least sell something yourself on eBay before you manage other people, because then you're gonna make tons of mistakes and you don't wanna ruin your reputation at the get. Now, after I was making a significant amount of money, of course, all my friends were like, I wanna make money on eBay. I wanna do what you do. I wanna work from home and make money. So of course, it was like kind of easy to see, okay, maybe I should be helping other people make money at this point, especially once I got kicked off of eBay. And that's when I went to networking events. So you can type in your area. You just wanna go to business networking events, because you'll be surprised on how many people sell products, right? And they're looking to make more money. What they're gonna be doing at these events is someone's gonna know somebody that sells a product, or you're gonna meet somebody that sells their own product, right? So when you do meet somebody that sells their own product, or you get introduced, what you wanna do is initially, you wanna try to say yes to everybody and just get some products that you're selling so you can create credibility, learn, and become better. Right? So even if it's just $100 a month flat rate fee and you charge them commission, right? So an example would be, you're gonna charge them $100,000 a month. Sorry, you're gonna charge them $100 a month just to manage their account. Hey, we'll help you. And then once, let's say they're not even doing any dollars on eBay. So no sales on eBay. What you do is say, hey, I'll charge you $100 a month, nothing crazy. We'll do it for 3 months to start and see how it goes. But if I get you to $5,000 a month in sales, then I'm also gonna be charging you 10% commission on revenue, right? So you kind of have some incentives, and they're gonna be like, well, I don't know. Be like, well, my goal is to get you to $5,000 a month in sales. If you get below that, you never get charged commission. Do you wanna make an extra $5,000 a month? They're gonna say yes, and bada bing, bada boom, you've got like a deal. So just the flat rate fee is usually what makes people mad, but you can always change it. If they're like, oh, the commission's too much, then you say, okay, how about $200 a month, and then 5% commission. So again, you kind of do that, and then you go from there. After 3 months, we like to have the contract just be reoccurring, month to month. And then they can cancel just give us 30-day notice, via email or text. Hey, it's not working out. But this is your best way. You want to go to these networking events, tell them, I help people sell on eBay. I sell on eBay myself. I know exactly what to do to scale eBay businesses, things like that. And be honest, you do know how to sell it. And then when there's a lot of networking events, usually in a city near you or a place near you, and you can find tons of them. This is where I started to get clients. It was going to networking events. Once you go to networking events, then you're getting these clients. Of course, you can start with PayPal, Venmo, Cash App in the beginning, but what you want to do slowly is start to work on actually having a system of collecting credit cards, bank accounts, and stuff like that, and that's going to be Quickbooks. So that way you can charge them officially, right? But again, initially, if you want to do this for free, you just say, oh, can you PayPal me? Can you Venmo me? Can you Cash App me? Things like that, right? And then over time, you want to have an official agreement. So Rocket Lawyer is one of the cheapest places to get official legal agreements. So that way they sign it. And that way, if they don't pay you, you can like send them to collections and stuff like that, right? So a couple definitely good tools. Once you start getting a couple clients under your belt, right? Just try to say, try to have some type of pricing that's going to be a win-win for the both of you and get them excited. And everybody usually gets excited when you're like, hey, I'm going to get you to $5,000 of sales a month, and then I'll get paid commission. That way I can work harder for you. So it's like a win-win. Once you gain clients, now it's time to ask for testimonials. It's time to make like your own business, right? So that way you have like Google reviews and things like that, and ask them to leave reviews on there. Facebook, you can have a Facebook business, they can leave reviews on there. Create a website, create social media. You want to start looking legit. Once you start looking legit, you can start charging more money because now you have reviews, testimonials, a website, social media. You don't have to post on social media every day, but just having it is important. Make sure it all looks professional. Your website can be basic. I help businesses sell on eBay. Results, testimonials, video testimonials, bada bing, bada boom. And that's going to help you get more clients a lot faster. Well, larger clients, and help them pay more because they trust you now. Once you succeed with somebody on eBay, like you're gonna get like one client that's making tons of money and it's really helping you pay for all the services, the business, right? Once you get them, what you're going to want to do is see how you can upsell them into more services. The clients you're already working with trust you. So what else can you do? So now it's expansion of services. Amazon, Walmart, Etsy, TikTok. Pick one of them. I recommend Amazon or Walmart next, unless you're really good at TikTok, and double down on one of those, on learning one of those, and then upselling. Say, hey, I know we did a really good job with your eBay, but we now offer Amazon as well. Are you interested in that? And then you can charge them, instead of now $200 a month, now it goes up an extra $200. Now you're getting paid $400 a month. And now maybe from commission, you're getting paid an extra $1,000 if they're doing really, really good. And you get them to Amazon. Now you can expand your services. Or you can expand your services within eBay, right? So that works as well. You don't want to go too crazy and say you do social media and websites and Facebook ads, and you want to kind of just focus on one thing at a time. So I would say this is eBay and Amazon, right? Just focus on expanding to one new thing, right? And now my other tip is to go to acquisition.com/training. So this is made by Alex Hormonzi, and he has tons of stuff, and it like gives you step by step by step. When it's just you, how do you scale your business? How do you get more clients without going to networking meetings, right? How do you make them online? How do you stabilize? How do you get to 250 to 500 people company, like a huge company? And he literally steps it down brick by brick by brick by brick on exactly what he did and how he helps other businesses scale. And it's completely free. So I don't have an affiliate for this. It's just phenomenal. But once you start hiring, you can start with friends and family, right? See if there's friends or family that will help you for a very low price. You can also get a business partner that maybe specializes in marketing or specializes in social media. And then last but not least is Upwork.com. So you can hire people offshore that can help you for a really, really good price, right? Just watch out, just take it one step at a time, and definitely go through this, and that's gonna help you in your eBay journey. It just takes one step at a time. It might sound hard, it just takes a little bit of time, but once you have the concrete built, the website, some customers, it's gonna be a lot easier for you to scale. But that's it for today's video. If you want more eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an eBay seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your eBay journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on eBay, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full eBay account management service. This is where we fully manage your inventory, calling eBay, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, designs, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is so you can spend time working on your eBay account, expanding your products, instead of looking at the tiny details on what products aren't selling, how to optimize your eBay's listings, or fixing an issue. We're gonna do it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.